Hi guys, it's Jana and today I am unboxing a plant mail from a friend. Her name is her name in YouTube is Virescent, and I will show you what she gave me. I'm excited guys. She was so nice to share her plant with me, and I'm excited what's gonna be in here. Let's see. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh my goodness. You have to watch her videos guys. She's got a lot of nice plants. I will leave a link of her YouTube name link in the description below, and check out her channel. See what is in here. Oh, so sweet. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I don't know the name of this though. And a baby one too. I love this. Hi. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Let me see. Let me put this in my paper here. Beautiful. Look at guys, so pretty, and it has a root, and I think she dipped this in a rooting hormone, I believe. Oh, such a beautiful plant. And I think I know this one. It's a peperomia, peperomoides. It's a friendship plant. Oh, thank you so much. And I think I know this one. Oh my goodness, she gives me a lot. So sweet. Look at guys. This is the Sansevieria honey, golden honey. I don't know, it was the honey I believe. Yeah, she was doing a haul, and then she said that she would share me some of this, and oh my goodness, thank you so much. You gave me so much babies. Oh, thank you so much. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. I love this. My goodness, this is gonna grow in my collection, you guys. Look at how beautiful they are. So pretty. Here you go, and there's another one. There's 3 babies in here. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you so much, Virescent. Oh, I can't wait to plant this, guys. Here you go. My checking the bottom here, and then I saw this the card. She also gave me a card, guys. Oh, so sweet. Look at how beautiful the card is. Oh, look at that. I love purple. This is my favorite color. Aw. Oh, she gave me the name. So that one, she said, "Hi Jana, I hope the plants get to you in one piece. I taped them to within an inch of their life, so have some scissors handy. I know you like succulents, so inside you will find Sansevieria." Oh yeah, they're different, guys. So she told me, she said here that this one is the Sansevieria trifasciata, gold honey eye, and she gave me this 3 Sansevieria trifasciata black robusta. Oh my goodness. And this one is the, now I know the name, Pilea amigo Marcello. So this one is that, and this one is my friendship plant, Pilea peperomoides. she said this is a tiny baby sandwich with the pepperoni, so be gentle with it. I know. I'm so happy that it made it safely, and you did good packing on this. You did awesome, actually. So thank you so much again. I'm sorry I didn't get to see the card right away. Thank you so much. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Virescent. Bye bye.